Good morning, everyone. This is Prakash Kumar Gupta from Brilliant Public School, Behtarai. Our today's topic is functions, which is chapter number 15. What is a function? A function is a special type of relation which we have studied in the previous chapter, which each element of domain is paired with exactly one element in the range. Okay. Furthermore, a set of ordered pair, already we are knowing about the ordered pair, is a function if no two ordered pairs have equal abscissas. What is the meaning of abscissas? The value of x or the first element of the ordered pair. Mapping is also known as relation. So a mapping or relation shows how each member of the domain, that means first element, is paired with each number in the range, that means second element in the ordered pair. Or you can see through the diagram also. Here domain is having 5, -3 and 1, and range is having the elements 6, 0 and 1. So you can see for 5 6 is there, for -3 0 and 6 both are there, and for 1 1 is there. So since 3 is having two images, that is why it is not a function. For every domain, for every element in domain, there should be exactly one image or one element in the range. Okay, so this is not a function. If for 5 -3 and 1 separate elements should be there in the range, as well as we can have for 5 and 3 -3 both 6 only is element in the range, then also it would be a function. But for -3 or for one pre-image, there should not be two images. Okay. Now what is the meaning of function? Suppose anything for x, that means input we are putting and applying the functions, then output we are getting the fx. Okay. Next topic is domain, range and codomain. What is domain first? So first diagram you can see here in domain. Domain is all the possible values of x of a function. Okay. And range will be what? Range is all the possible values of y or the fx of a function. Okay. One example we'll see here. Suppose India has won the World Cup in cricket match 1983. Pakistan won it in 1992 and Australia 1987, Sri Lanka 1996. So here we can see India, Pakistan, Australia and Sri Lanka. All these pre-images have exactly one images. So India, Pakistan, Australia and Sri Lanka, this complete set is showing us the domain. 1993, 1987, 1992 and 1996. All these are showing us about the range. Okay. But along with all these four images, we have some more elements. Okay. Like 1975, 1979, 1999, 2003, all these. Okay. So along with all these, we are getting complete set B as codomain. Okay. Here also one more example is there. Let us take one set A which is having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is domain, already we are knowing. B is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here 1 is related with 3, 2 is with 5, 3 is with 7 and 4 is with 9. So set of all these 4 elements only is called the range. Okay. And along with these 4 elements, some more elements are there. Those along with all those, suppose 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Along with all these, the complete set B is called the codomain. Now, range of real functions. the range of real functions of a real variable is the set of all real values taken by fx at points in its domain. Okay. In order to find the range of real function fx, we may use the following algorithm. Algorithm means group of steps. So first of all, what we will do in step 1, put y is equal to fx. Whatever fx will be given, that we will take y, and then y is equal to fx, we will convert it in terms of y. So we will be finding x is equal to some other function phi y. Okay. Then the third step, find the values of y for which the value of x. Okay. And then obtain from x is equal to phi y are real and in the domain of f. It should be in the domain of f. Next is last step, the set of values of y obtained in the step 3 is the range of f. So we will be getting the range. Now one example we will see for finding the domain. Suppose fx is equal to, we have 2x upon x square minus 4. So it will give us all real values. Okay. For every value of x, we will be getting a real values. But you imagine 2 and minus 2, if we are putting in this fx, what we are getting? We are getting not defined. Okay. So except 2 and minus 2, all real numbers will be the domain. So domain will be equal to r minus 2 and minus 2. Except 2 and minus 2, we will be getting the real values. So domain is r minus 2 minus 2. Okay. Now some composite functions or composition of functions. A composite function is created when one function is substituted into another function. And this we'll understand with an example. Let us take fx is equal to 3x plus 2 and gx is equal to x plus 5, and we want to find f of g of x. So here f, and for gx we will write x plus 5. Then wherever x we have in fx, there we will put x plus 5 now. So 3x plus 5 plus 2. So finally we will be getting 3x plus 17. Yes or no? Next, g of fx, if we want to find, then g will be out, and for fx we will be writing 3x plus 2. Okay. So wherever x we have in gx, we will be putting 3x plus 2 now. So here we are getting 3x plus 7. So you can observe that f of gx is not equal to g of fx. Yes or no? Because they are having different values. Thank you very much.